If you're here, you must be interested in better coffee.
Not just drinking it, but actually understanding it.
This channel is for people who want to brew with confidence, know what they're buying, and stop guessing their way through a cup of coffee.
In 2026, we're building Coffee Roasters University to do exactly that. We'll show you different ways to brew coffee at home or at work without overcomplicating it.
We'll help you understand why you like light, medium, or dark roast, and when it might be time to switch.
We'll teach you about coffee beans, where they come from, how they're roasted, and what actually affects the flavor. We'll also openly talk about quality and safety, what to watch out for when buying mass-produced coffee.
You will get behind-the-scenes access to our roastery, our new equipment and system upgrades, and simple tutorials on cold brew, cider, and new drink ideas that you can actually repeat at home.
Now, when you come to the shop, you'll most likely see me at the front desk. My job is to show you how we process, protect, and package your beans to make sure no matter where you are in the world, you get fresh roasted beans every time.
We're also going to take you along with us to events, community partnerships, and some nonprofit work, because coffee is about people as much as it is about products.
If you want practical coffee education,
Real transparency,
And better coffee without the hype, subscribe to the channel.
subscribe to our channel.
subscribe to the channel. This is Coffee Roasters University.
This is Coffee Roasters University.
This is Coffee Roasters University,
And we're glad you're here.
and we're glad you're here.
And we're glad you're here.